on, little tiny thing. Everything eats them, all carnivorous animals, the meat eat baby alligators. Birds of prey eat them, all birds of prey. Wading birds such as herons and egrets eat an awful lot of baby alligators. They're out looking for fish and frogs. They just as soon have a baby alligator. Turtles eat them, snakes eat them, fish eat them. Bullfrogs have even been seen eating baby alligators. They have tremendous pressure from prey. Out of a bunch of eggs, they hatch 35, maybe 40 eggs. Only one or two will probably reach adulthood. Nature's way of helping the animal get beyond its predators is an alligator's growth. Alligators grow about a foot a year for the first 5 years of their life. After that, their growth rate almost stops. From that point on, they only grow about 1 to 3 inches a year. By the time he's 5 years old, he's about 5 feet long. And he's able to take care of those predators that might have eaten his brothers and sisters. That's the way it works in this world. If you look at their head, you see their eyes and their nose stick up above their snout. Now this is for their protection. They go down to the bottom of the pond and go to sleep sometimes, and when they come up, they want to make sure that everything's okay. There's no predator out there that could eat them. First thing to pop up is the tip of the nose and their eyes. They take a quick breath and they look around. And if everything's okay, they come out and go about their business. Now right underneath an alligator's eyes, in the skull, there are hollow sockets down in the skull. These animals catch food all the time with spikes to get away. It hits them on the eye. Sometimes when they're fighting each other, they bite each other on the head. And if anything touches that alligator's eye, right on the top, it pops right down in those hollow sockets in his skull to protect his eye. Works pretty good for him. You can touch it with your finger and it'll go right down in there. I wouldn't suggest trying that, but anyway. Alligators have 3 eyelids. They have an upper and a lower, just as we do. And they have a third one that goes from side to side. This one is clear and you can see through it. It's called a NICTITATIng membrane. And this is the one that he uses when he goes underwater to protect his eye, as you can see. NICTITATIng membrane.